You have a Vortex phone, and all of a sudden, this shows up on your screen. You don't know what to do. You can't read Chinese. Let me help you. Okay, first things first. The thing to not do is just start pushing buttons. A lot of these, I don't know what they do, but for sure, don't scroll down to where it says the word storage and press power for OK, because that is the factory reset. So do not do this. All right, the one that appears to be safe to get out of this is the very bottom one. I think is just a reboot. So let's choose this one, press power for OK, and we'll come back in just a second. When you push OK, it takes, watch, it's going to take about 5 more seconds. 4, 3, there it is, 2, 1. All right, let's come back. All right, and we're back on, and all we did was just reboot the system. Nothing changed, nothing erased. So you wondering how you got there? Let me show you. You were probably trying to factory reset your phone, and you powered off your phone, and instead of, you're supposed to factory reset with volume up in power, but you probably pushed volume down in power. So if you push volume down in power, hold until you see the logo, and let go, and let's see the camera, we'll zoom in right here. We're going to get a different menu that we cannot read. There it is. And that's how you got to the Chinese menu. Okay. All right. If this video has helped you, please like, please subscribe. And if you need to learn the right way to factory reset, hard reset your Vortex, and this is the ZG65 Pro, watch this video right here next.